Kumusta mga kababayan? Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Narito na naman isang makbuluhang kwento mula sa ating kababayan, isang batang Pinoy prospect na pinadapa ang artist ng Thailand.
Và đây là một cú đập điều mà AJ mang đến tuyệt vời. Cú đâm trúng đích đầy này, đập qua bên cú bếp, mới tổ ngang.
Isang batang Pinoy prospect na si Arvin John Pasiones o mas kilala bilang AJ Pasiones ay may potensyal na maging world champion sa hinaharap dahil malakas, mabilis at may galawan din ang batang ito. Sa edad na 17 ay nagpamalas na ito ng galing at bagsik na kamao nito sa laban. Samantala, si AJ Pasiones ay may edad sa kasalukuyan na 19, may taas na 5'7" at tubong Cebu at nakabase na sa Vietnam. Si AJ Pasiones ay may undefeated record sa kasalukuyan na 10 wins, 6 knockouts at hawak nito ang WBA Asia Light Flyweight belt. Samantala, habang tumatagal ay tila nagiging halimo sa taas ng ring ang ating kababayan dahil sa katatapos lang ng laban nito ay pinabagsak ni Pasiones ng 3 beses at tinapos nito sa first round ang Thai fighter. November 2022 nang dumayo sa Thailand ang ating pambato na si Pasiones kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Cambodian fighter na si Vichit Ot. Sa laban ng dalawa ay naging agresibo ang Cambodian fighter. Panay atake ito at sugod ng sugod sa Pinoy para umano pabagsakin at tapusin ang Pinoy.
อุ้ยบวกกันอย่างนี้ไม่น่าจะไม่รวดเร็วเลยครับแม่ต่อยไปยังติดการติดบังนะครับของอาวุธจรชินโอ๊ตนี่ก็พยายามเดินไล่ถล่มลำตัวแล้วครับกาจะเอาให้โอ้โหบวกซ้ายครับโดนเหมือนกันนะครับอาวิจรสายตาเรามาแล้วหลายครั้งนะครับโอ้โหไล่อัดลำตัวสั่งมาหน้าอาวิจรมาส่งเกสที่เร็วครับโอ๊ตแต่ขวาหาตัวแกยากจริงๆครับ
Sa round 3 ay patuloy na binabanata ng Cambodian boxer ang ating pambato at nakikipagsabay nito kay Pasiones.
ดูครับวิญญาณเพชรฆาตของนักมวยจากกัมพูชาครับวิชิตโอ๊ตปลูกกันแล้วครับแม่ต้องรู้ดำรู้แดงกันนะครับยกนี้ต้องมีคนร่วงมีคนหล่นครับ
Dito, binigwasan sa bodega ni Pasiones ang Cambodian at nagkunwari itong hindi nasaktan.
ต่อยลำตัวครับต่อยลำตัว
Sinundan ito ng pamatay na left hook ni Pasiones.
อาวิจรไปโซเวตจังโอ้โหหุกซ้ายครับลูกนี้โดนเต็มๆครับโอ้โหต้องบอกว่าเป็นหมัดที่
Hindi na nakatayo pa ang kalaban. Panalo si Pasiones by a third round technical knockout. Samantala, March 25, 2023 nang harapin ni Pasiones ang maangas sa Thai boxer na si Sarawat Jamtong. Sa weigh-in pa lang ay nagpakita na ito ng angas sa Pinoy. Sa pagsisimula ng laban ay binakbakan agad ang ating kababayan ng Thai boxer.
Sẽ tiếp tục chặn bỏ lâu dài với tình trạng bất lợi hơn. Thể hình về chiều cao và xẻ tay, quyền hút rất nặng, rất tốt. Đó là những cú đánh cực kỳ, chúng ta đang thấy một màn thể hiện tuyệt.
Sa round 2, dito pinatikim ni Pasiones ang lakas ng kamao nito ng tamaan ng right straight bulagta ang Thai boxer.
Và đây là một cú đấm và có khả năng anh sẽ khiến cho đối thủ bị hạ knockout.
Pinipilit pa sanang tumayo ng kalaban, ngunit hilo pa ito. Napahanga naman ng Pinoy ang mga Vietnamese na nanonood ng laban. Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a second round technical knockout. Samantala, October 24, 2023, nang talunin ni Pasiones ang Chinese boxer na si Jin Pingyang by a unanimous decision na kung saan dito nakuha ang WBA Asia Light Flyweight belt na ginanap sa Thailand. Samantala, December 2023 nang muling dumayo si Pasiones sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai boxer na si Kitidech Hirunsu para depensahan sa unang pagkakataon ng hawak nitong WBA Asia Light Flyweight Belt. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay nagpasiklab ang Thai fighter sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan na kaya niyang bigyan ng unang talo ang Pinoy at nagawa pa nitong hamunin ng Pinoy na bugbugin ang kanyang mukha. Tunghayan kung paanong bugbugin at pabagsakin ng Pinoy sa harap ng kanyang kababayan ang naghahamon na Thai fighter.
This is AJ Pasiones' first title defense of his head movement to escape there afterwards. Trying to get... Old against AJ, 18 years old. Redek coming in. Redek now switches stance as well. Oh, right hand jab as well. Controlling the time, controlling distance. Right hook to the body from AJ. Ooh, right hand. Try to find something here. Lands a right hook to the body. Redek used to have a little more offense. Left hook and a right hand lands right there. Oh, and a right uppercut lands. Redek back in the Philly shell. Trying to land some offensive.
Sa round 4 ay dito nakatikim ang Thai ng bagsik ng kamao ng Pinoy.
Down his Thai opponent. Let's see what AJ does. Oh, big left uppercut from AJ's coming in. Oh, these boys are trying to train here. AJ needs to be careful though. He can't a left hand of his own, and a left hand from Kiradek lands as well. Oh, big left hand from Kiradek. Right hand to the body. That telling AJ, come on, let's fight. Oh, and AJ responds with a big right hand, landing on the guard. Left uppercut lands very well for. Oh, big right hand. A right cross to the body and a right cross to the head. Oh, kick to deck. Oh, AJ lands a right hook to the body.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a 12-round unanimous decision. Samantala, March 28, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Pasiones para sagupain ang isa na naman na Thai boxer na si Wanchai Nyang Hansa na kung saan muling didepensahan ni Pasiones sa pangalawang pagkakataon ang hawak nitong WBA Asia Light Flyweight Belt. Sa laban ng dalawa ay round 1 lang, tapos na ang laban ng 3 beses na pabagsakin ang Thai fighter.
The sniper by name, sniper by nature, he lands a beautifully timed shot. Sets his opponent down, and I think he looks stunned.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a first round knockout. Samantala, matapos ang 3 buwan, June 29, 2024, sa Pilipinas naman napalaban si Pasiones na ginanap sa Mandawi City, Cebu, ang probinsya na kung saan pinanganak si AJ Pasiones. Mabigat ang kakaharapin ni Pasiones dito dahil ang kanyang makakalaban ay veterano na at former IVF World Minimum Weight Champion na si Rene Mark Cuarto. Si Cuarto ay may record na 22 wins, 5 losses at 12 knockouts, habang si AJ Pasiones naman ay may malinis na record na 8 wins at 5 knockouts. Dito, masusubukan ng galing at tibay ni Pasiones sa laban.
Cuarto is going to gain that advantage, cover that distance, and he's now currently fighting on the inside. So, Pasiones answers with an uppercut to Pasiones, and he's mixing it up, and he's body shot there by Cuarto, blocked by Pasiones.
They're throwing heavy leather early on.
Ending now, they're doing that, ending on the good straight to the body is Pasiones. I like the way how Rene Cuarto is able to bridge that. As much as Pasiones
Pasiones is committed to that left counter liver. There you go.
Sa round 2, dito nakalusot ang left straight ni Pasiones na nagpabaksak kay Cuarto.
Good straight from AJ Passiones.
Time left hand.
Ay, pigilan.
He's been here before.
Oo. He's able to stand up, shrugged it off. Now, trying to counter. However,
Easy 10-8 round right away.
we have more rounds to work with. Now, Bumalik sa round na to. Good uppercut there by Cuarto. Passiones maganda talaga. Good uppercut there by Batista. This is Franco Rullola with me. His opponent, just AJ Passiones, is backpedaling. Very impressed with the head movement and the defense of Passiones. It's just a matter of pasok ka, mas pagdating ka. Yan, okay kita mo? Now he's able to find his rhythm.
Good hand right from Cuarto.
Good body shot there by Cuarto. Counter.
Good right hand from
Now he
Cuarto.
has him against
And
the
a left
corner.
hand. I think he caught Pasiones with that short left. Really. Good body shot. Body shot from Pasiones.
Another body shot from
Good short right hand from
Passiones once. You guys will lure you into this showboating contest. Anytime na may showboating, Passiones tsaka sa second. Sa second.
Good flurry from Cuarto.
Passiones so far. Good.
Good right hand from Cuarto. That was slick. Good left hand from Pasiones. But Cuarto answers back with the right of his. Good right hand from Pasiones.
Passiones is
But Cuarto answers back.
stepping up on the
Short right hand from. Good right hand from.
uppercut.
Good exchange. And tingin ko nararamdaman na rin ni Pasiones yung power ni Cuarto. And because he's moving a lot in this round.
But you have very good defense, you have very good footwork, you're faster, you're quicker. Passiones. Good counter right there by Cuarto.
Good right hand by Cuarto. Good left hand from Cuarto.
Uppercut straight there.
Good exchange.
Another straight. Both fighters. They're very strategic.
Good right hand from Cuarto.
Especially with the level of consistency of Rene Cuarto during
Good right hand from Cuarto. Best round for Cuarto so far, in my opinion, Franco. Of course, Coach Nonoy Neri in the corner of Rene Cuarto.
more stable, or will it be AJ Passiones of Simon Sports Club for
So merong posibilidad na magtropa to if it goes the distance, but at this rate, di tayo sure kung aabot doon.
Good exchanges so far from both these fighters. Trying.
Good right hand from Cuarto. Short uppercuts from Pasiones.
More nasty uppercuts from him. I love the level of energy of Passiones. He's still dancing around the ring. Diba? Good head movement, good body movement. He's able to pivot out of trouble. Now, whenever he wants to engage, he engages on his own terms. Good body shot there.
There you go. Good combination from Cuarto.
Down. Peppering jabs from Passiones.
10 seconds left.
Passiones dancing. We are done.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by 10th round split decision. Samantala, matapos lang ang mahigit isang buwan, ay nito lang August 11, 2024 ay napalaban agad si AJ Pasiones na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai fighter na si Nantanun Tunchay. May edad pa lang na 18 at may record na 13 wins, 2 losses at 11 knockouts, habang si AJ Pasiones sa edad na 19 ay may undefeated record na 9 wins at 5 knockouts. Sa panimula ng laban ay nagpalitan ng mga kombinasyon ng dalawa.
Wow. Trận đấu hứa hẹn sẽ rất bùng nổ, trận đấu 8 hiệp. Ở hạng 110 pound. Đấm tốt của Pasiones. Mấy giây ép luôn đối phương, lối đánh nhanh đầy tốc độ vẫn luôn là thứ cực.
Dito bahagyang napasandal sa lubid ang Thai boxer nang tama nito ng left hook ng Pinoy.
Trẻ hơn cả anh nữa.
Dahil sa palitan ng kombinasyon, ay nakapasok ulit ang left hook ni Pasiones na nagpabaksak sa Thai boxer.
Và những cú đấm trúng đích từ AJ rất tốt với cú móc. Đối thủ ngã rồi. Đối thủ choáng choáng say rồi.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, ay binakbakan agad ni Pasiones sa bodega ang Thai fighter na nagresulta ng muli nitong pagbagsak.
Họ vẫn luôn là điều mà AJ mang đến. Không rồi, không thật rồi. Không thể tin rồi.
Muli pang nakatayo ang kalaban, ngunit tinapos na ni Pasiones at nagpakawala ito ng kombinasyon na nagpagbaksak muli sa Thai boxer.
Trận đấu vẫn tiếp tục. Left hook. Đối thủ cố gắng và đó là chiến thắng cho AJ Pasiones.
Panalo si AJ Pasiones by a first round technical knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Mag-iwan lamang po ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong pag-uusapan yan. Paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa mga ganitong mga laban. Hanggang sa muli mga kababayan, maraming salamat po. God